If you find yourself flinching or your heart racing when you hear a loud noise, know this: you're not overreacting, and you're not alone. This response is called hypervigilance. Your nervous system, shaped by past experiences, constantly scans for signs of danger, even small ones like a door slamming or a sudden shout. For many, this heightened sensitivity was once an essential way to stay safe in uncertain or threatening environments. It's a deeply human response, especially if you've lived through stressful or unsafe situations. Your body learned to stay alert, always ready to protect you from harm. But now, in a safer space, these reactions can feel overwhelming, exhausting, or out of place. Here's the truth: hypervigilance is not a flaw or weakness. It's evidence of your strength and your body's wisdom, a sign that you survived. And it's absolutely possible to gently rewire these patterns over time. With compassion, grounding techniques, and supportive care, you can help your nervous system feel safe again. You deserve peace and calm. Start your healing journey with us at neuronor.org, where you'll find understanding, tools, and hope to guide you forward.